The tablet world has been defined by two giants: the raw, professional power of Apple's iPad Pro, and the flexibility, size, and sheer feature aggression of Samsung's Galaxy Tab Ultra series. This year, the gloves are off. We have the iPad Pro M5, a machine forged by the most powerful mobile chip ever conceived, going head-to-head with the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, a Goliath of a device with a screen that could swallow the competition whole, and an operating system finally serious about desktop replacement. If you are a student, a creative professional, or someone looking to ditch their laptop entirely, this 30-minute deep dive is your final decision guide. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. We're cutting through the marketing noise and the spec sheets to tell you the real differences: the software philosophy, the chip dominance, the display experience, and the one crucial factor that will determine which tablet ends up in your bag. Stick with us, because the verdict on this rivalry is going to surprise even the most loyal fanboys. The brain battle: M5 Silicon versus Dimensity dominance. Let's start with the engine. The iPad Pro M5 is rumored to carry a chip that makes the laptop market blush. Apple's M-series silicon isn't just fast, it's an entirely different breed of computing. Leaks suggest the M5 brings a major uplift to the neural engine, up to 5.6 times faster AI processing than the M1. Why does this matter to you? It means things like generating images on-device, complex video masking in DaVinci Resolve, or running next-generation apps in iPadOS 26 are instant. It's not a speed advantage, it's a workflow advantage. The M5 is built for the future of AI-powered professional work. Then you have the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra, flexing its muscle with the rumored MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus. Samsung has finally moved to a cutting-edge processor to match the iPad's ambition. More importantly, the S11 Ultra is rumored to be available with up to 16 gigabytes of RAM on the highest configurations, a crucial advantage for heavy-duty Android multitasking. While the Dimensity chip is undeniably a powerhouse, the battle here isn't just about raw speed, it's about optimization. Apple tightly controls the silicon and the software, ensuring every Pro app is surgically optimized for the M5. Samsung offers raw, brute force Android power and much larger RAM capacity for general multitasking. The choice is pure power versus versatile memory. The window to your work. Display showdown. This is where Samsung traditionally throws a knockout punch. The Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is a gargantuan tablet, rumored to sport a colossal 14.6-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display. That is an enormous canvas for drawing, for watching movies, and most importantly, for multitasking in DeX mode. The S11 Ultra screen will offer deeper, purer blacks, true-to-life contrast, and it's rumored to include an anti-reflection coating to minimize distraction. For artists and media consumers, that 14.6-inch AMOLED is a world of difference. The iPad Pro M5 is sticking with the brilliant Ultra Retina tandem OLED display, offering a maximum size of 13 inches. While smaller, Apple's OLED panel is famous for its exceptional color accuracy, making it the industry standard for graphic designers and photo editors. Crucially, the iPad Pro is rumored to introduce support for 120 Hz refresh rates on external displays via its Thunderbolt port. If you're a video editor who needs that butter-smooth timeline on a monitor, the iPad just opened a massive professional door. The choice here is simple: maximum size versus maximum professional accuracy and external capability. The X factor: software and the laptop killer question. The hardware is meaningless without the operating system. And this is the canyon that separates these two devices. The iPad Pro M5 runs iPadOS 26, rumored to heavily feature Apple Intelligence. The software philosophy is focused on refined, powerful apps with a controlled, intuitive user experience. Apple's new focus on window management and true desktop-class Safari is finally chipping away at the laptop dependency. If your professional work revolves around Apple's ecosystem, Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, the App Store's deep pool of optimized creative apps, the iPad Pro is an integrated, seamless experience. The Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra runs Android 16 with One UI 8, featuring significant upgrades to the Samsung DeX desktop experience. DeX is Samsung's ultimate weapon. It allows the tablet to transform into a familiar, multi-window desktop environment. With a huge 14.6-inch screen and rumored support for multiple independent workspaces, the Tab S11 Ultra offers a genuine, no-compromise desktop replacement experience right out of the box. Plus, the S Pen is included and is rumored to be completely redesigned to no longer require charging. Samsung gives you the hardware and the software tools to run your life like a laptop, right now. Ports, peripherals, and the final verdict. In the realm of connectivity, the leaks show two very different philosophies. The iPad Pro M5 continues its Thunderbolt/USB 4-port strategy, providing blazing fast 40 gigabits per second transfer speeds for high-end SSDs and professional docks. It's a clean, simple, high-speed connection for pros. The Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra embraces flexibility. Not only is it rumored to support Wi-Fi 7 and a massive 11,600 mAh battery, but it includes a microSD card slot with support up to 2 terabytes. This is huge. For photographers and video shooters, the ability to rapidly offload and expand storage is a necessity the iPad simply doesn't offer. Samsung gives you freedom, Apple gives you speed. So, which one wins? The iPad Pro M5 is for the professional creative who demands the highest possible single-core performance, who lives in the Apple ecosystem, and who sees their tablet as a primary creative tool. You pay a premium for the M5 chip, the ecosystem optimization, and the sleekest hardware on the planet. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is the ultimate desktop replacement and media powerhouse. Its massive, gorgeous screen, desktop-like DeX mode, included S Pen, IP68 water resistance, and crucial microSD expansion make it the king of versatility. It's the smarter choice for a student, a media consumer, or anyone who values a fully flexible, laptop-like workspace. The war isn't over. But for the first time, the choice is truly difficult. Decide what matters most, unmatched raw chip power or unrivaled screen size and flexibility. Let me know in the comments. Are you Team M5 or Team S11 Ultra? Ultra screen will offer deeper, purer blacks, true-to-life contrast, and it's rumored to include an anti-reflection coating to minimize distraction. For artists and media consumers, that 14.6-inch AMOLED is a world of difference. The iPad Pro M5 is sticking with a brilliant Ultra Retina tandem OLED display, offering a maximum size of 13 inches. While smaller, Apple's OLED panel is famous for its exceptional color accuracy, making it the industry standard for graphic designers and photo editors. Crucially, the iPad Pro is rumored to introduce support for 120 Hz refresh rates on external displays via its Thunderbolt port. If you're a video editor who needs that butter-smooth timeline on a monitor, the iPad just opened a massive professional door. The choice here is simple: maximum size versus maximum professional accuracy and external capability. The X factor: software and the laptop killer question. The hardware is meaningless without the operating system. And this is the canyon that separates these two devices. The iPad Pro M